last class we discussed about point, line or straight line, line segment, ray and curve line. Now you recall them. Okay. Point. What is point? Point is a dot. It has no shape, no thickness. A point is denoted by capital letters of alphabet. For example, A, B and C. Understood? Line. What is line? Many points placed close to each other form a line. Many points placed close to each other form a line. It has no thickness or breadth. It has only length. So it is called one-dimensional figure. Line is a one-dimensional figure. It has no ends. It has no ends. It extends on both sides. Understood? We name A and B. We write it as line AB. Line segment. Line segment is a part of a line. Line segment is a part of a line. It has 2 points, starting point and end point. It no extends. It has exact length. We name A, B. We write it as line segment AB. Ray. What is ray? Ray is also part of a line. Ray is also part of a line. It has starting point but no end points. It extends only one side. We name A, B. We write it as ray AB. Understood? A line is extends on both sides. Line segment, it has no extents. It has exact length. But ray extends only one side. Understood? Don't confuse children. This is also different. This is also different. This is also different. It extends on both sides. It no extends. It extends only one side. Understood? Curved lines. What are curved lines? Lines are not straight. Lines are not straight are called curved lines. These lines are not straight. So we call these are curved lines. Okay. Dear students, in this class we will discuss how to draw shapes, how to draw figures using straight line and curved line. Using straight line we can draw geometrical shapes. For example, square. Using straight line we can draw geometrical shapes. For example, square, triangle, rectangle. And using curved lines we can draw circle shape. Okay. Using straight line we can draw square, triangle and rectangle. Using curved lines we can draw circle shape. Okay. Students, look at these figures. What do you observe from these figures? These figures have starting point and end point. These figures have starting point and end point. But both are different. Both points are not in the same place. Understood? So, figures which do not end at the point where they begin from are called open figure. Understood? Figures which do not end at the point where they begin from are called open figure. These are, for example, these are an open figure. These have a leakage area. So, we call these are open figure. Understood? And this is also open figure. Starting point different and end point also different. Both are not in the same place. So, we call these are open figure. Understood? Closed figure. What are closed figures? What is meant by closed figure? Look at these figures. These figures have same starting point and same end point. These figures same starting point and same end point. These have no leakage area. Okay, closed figures. This is closed figure. See, these have no leakage area. Understood? So figures which end at the point where they begin from are called closed figure. Figures which end at the point where they begin from are called closed figure. For example, square, rectangle and triangle. Dear students, these closed figure have both length and width. So we call these are two-dimensional figure. These figures have both height and width. So we call these are two-dimensional figure or 2D figures. 2D figures. And also called 2D shapes. Understood? Now let's discuss about 2D shapes. 2D shape. What is this? Square. It has 4 straight line as sides. It has 4 straight line as sides. They are AB, BC, CD and DA. All sides are equal in length. All sides are equal in length. It has 4 corners. It has 4 corners. They are A, B, C, D. Understood? We name the square using its corners. We name the square using its corner. Square. Square A, B, C, D. What is this? Rectangle. It has 4 straight line as sides. It has 4 sides. They are PQ, PQ, QR, RS and ST. These opposite sides are equal in length. These opposite sides are equal in length. And it has 4 corners. They are P, Q, R, S. We name the rectangle using its corner. Rectangle. Rectangle P, Q, R, S. Okay. What is this? Triangle. It has 3 sides. They are A, B, B, C and C, A. C, A. It has 3 corners A, B, C. We name the triangle using its corner A, B, C. Triangle A, B, C. Triangle. Triangle A, B, C. Okay. Circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. We name the circle by its center point. We name the circle by its center point O. Circle. Circle O. Understood? These are 2D shapes. Dear students, in this class we learned about open figure, closed figure and 2D shapes. Okay? Thank you children.